Hello everyone. Today we are going to discover the new Pixel 6a from Google. It is our new mid-range smartphone that joins the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. It is available in several colors, and if today we have the charcoal version and the sage version. Basically, this phone offers the same experience as the previous Pixels. But they are offered at a more affordable price since they sell for $449. So what is the Pixel experience? Well, it's all about high performance thanks to Google sensors. Google's very first processor. It is also a photo part that will benefit from all the know-how of Google in terms of image processing and also the integrated protection. In particular thanks to its Titan M2 security chip, which is also exclusive to the Pixel. These phones also get security updates for 5 years. Let's go, we're going to unpack them together. So I'm going to discover them at the same time as you. So here it is, the phone, of course, in its charcoal version, is housed in the back. Very quickly the contents of the box. A bit like the previous Pixels. The USB-C cable, which is here an adapter to copy your data from an iPhone. And if a little insert, you find the quick start manual? The warranty is also local for the SIM card. So we have a format that is more compact than on 6 Pixels 6 Pro Pixels with a more honest Full HD screen, Full HD more than 6.1 inches. So that's the handling is really excellent. If you go around the phone a little bit and notice that there is a USB-C jack underneath as on the other Pixels. We also note the fingerprint sensor that is on the screen. So much for unlocking your phone easily. On the front 8-megapixel camera for selfies. And on the back, there are two 12-megapixel photo modules. Here you have a wide angle and then an ultra-wide angle with a field of view that's 114 degrees bigger. On the Pixel 6a you have 6 gigs of RAM, so convenient for multitasking, and 128 gigs of storage to store all your data. The adaptive Pixel 6a battery adapts to your use to last all day and can even last up to 24 hours. Finally, it is a phone that is IP67, so it is a standard that protects it from water and dust. So much for this quick presentation of the new Pixel 6a from Google. We meet again very quickly for other videos.